Today I am sharing with you a kitchen quick tip, how to clean your kettle with one ingredient. So I've got some citric acid here, which I've just purchased at a local big box store. I'll put the link in the description, so anyone, if you're living in Melbourne, Australia, you can go there. Otherwise you can just buy it from the supermarket. I buy it in big batches because I do this every single week. So this is a 5-year-old kettle and it looks pretty much brand new. I only paid about $7 for it at Kmart. I do this every week. It clears out any of the limescale and makes my kettle look and function like it's brand new. So all I'm going to do is put the citric acid that I've got here straight into my kettle and turn it on. I'm going to allow it to boil. Once it's boiled, I'm going to pour out that water. I'm going to give it a little bit of a rinse, and your kettle should be nice and clean. Now, if your kettle hasn't been cleaned in quite a long time, you may want to repeat this process a number of times, but usually the first time gets a lot off the kettle. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and I will see you next time on Do It Frugal. Bye!